Okay, this is my last little male Maltipoo ready to go next weekend. Playing with Sophie. Sophie, come here. Really playful. So, look at that little tail. Hey. Look at him. Look at his little butt. Okay, let me see if I can get it. So, I definitely don't think she's hurting him. They're just playing. Aww. Hey, hey. Oh, that's so cute. Hey, hey, little guy. Okay, let me get him out here. Sorry. There's his coat of hair. Such a pretty little guy. Sophie, no. No. He's chasing me. Sophie, no. Come here. Oh, he wants to be with Sophie. He wants to. Oh, sorry. Come here, little buddy. Come here. Oh, that hardwood's hard to... Hey, hey. So, oh, okay, look at that tail. He is a go-getter. Okay.